First thing we're going to look at is a simple palm strike. In Wing Chun we have a palm strike called Jing Jung in the Sinam Tao form. Ours looks like this. First thing you need to get right is correct distancing. So we want to be hitting the pad when we're very, very close to the pad. So rather than hitting from this distance, we're going to move in and hit from a close distance. So that's the first thing you want to get used to, moving in, hitting in close distance. The next thing you want to add is no drawback or chambering. You want to be able to hit without drawing back or chambering the strike. Just like this. The next thing we want to do is to make sure we start from a non-aggressive stance. Something like this, what some people call a staggered fence, but anything like that would be good. Also with your footwork, don't stand like this, don't stand like this, just be completely relaxed, but with your hands up, one hand back that you're going to use. No chambering, use the body weight, just like this. Nice. The next thing that we want to add on to that is mindset or aggression. So, same things, everything building up, nice and relaxed, don't just hit, actually put some oomph into it. Something like this. Shout, do what you want. Doesn't really matter. And then the last thing you want to add on to that to keep your Wing Chun being combative after a simple palm strike is to learn to continuously hit. How you hit doesn't matter. Something like this. Something like that. So one way you can make this even better is with a bit of role play. So maybe a push and a bit of push and shove. What's your problem, mate? What's your problem? No problem. You f***ing have? What's your problem, mate?
No problem, mate.
Yes, you have. You've got a problem.
No, I don't have any trouble.
Keep it real.